I can pay for everything that's on you, so everything is on me. Got them girls going Cindy Lauper, Gaga and a little blondie. If you ain't drunk, then you're in the wrong club. Don't feel sexy, you're on the wrong beach. Tell the bar that we don't want no glass, just bottles and a bite, and everybody want each. Yeah, so bring the verb, click out. Think about to hit the big 3 out. Party like it's carnival in Rio. Life's too short, they need to be out. Yo,
very excited to be in Mongolia. This is what I want to do with my life. I want to play basketball, so I'm very thankful for the opportunity.
Right, so on to the second question.
Yeah, I watched some of the videos on YouTube. Looks like a pretty competitive league, so like I said again, I'm excited to be here.
I mean, like it's way far from home, but nice environment, snow, so happy to be here. YouTube, yeah. When y'all won championship, the Bulls, something like that, yeah. I watched it on YouTube.